Ever pondered over the power of digital marketing? How it can transform a startup into a global phenomenon seemingly overnight? Well, today we're diving into the world where clicks turn into customers and shares transform into sales. Imagine this: a small, home-based bakery named Sweet Delights, nestled in the heart of a bustling city. Their delicious pastries and intricate cake designs were well known within their local community, yet beyond that, they were just another name in the sea of bakeries. That was until they realized the potential of digital marketing and partnered with digital Dynamo solutions. Sweet Delights had an idea, a vision to take their local popularity and turn it into a nationwide phenomenon. With the guidance and expertise of digital Dynamo solutions, they started off with a simple website, showcasing their products and telling their story. But they knew they needed more. So, they turned to social media, recognizing the power it held in today's digital age. They began posting mouth-watering photos of their pastries, behind-the-scenes videos of their baking process, and customer testimonials on Instagram and Facebook. With strategic advice from digital Dynamo solutions, they utilized the power of hashtags, and soon enough their posts were being seen by thousands of people across the country. They started receiving online orders and their customer base began to grow. But they didn't stop there. They knew the importance of engaging with their audience. So they responded to comments, held contests, and even started a weekly live baking session. The audience loved it. They felt connected to the brand, and this connection transformed into loyalty. Now, Sweet Delights is a household name with a following of millions. Their products are shipped nationwide, and they've even opened up new branches in different cities. All thanks to the power of digital marketing and the strategic guidance of digital Dynamo solutions. So, what can we learn from the success story of Sweet Delights, orchestrated by Dynamo solutions? Firstly, digital marketing, as practiced by digital Dynamo solutions, is not just about having an online presence. It's about leveraging that presence to reach and connect with your audience. It's about using the right platforms, the right strategies, and engaging with the audience in a way that makes them feel valued. Secondly, digital marketing opens up a world of possibilities. It breaks geographic barriers, allowing businesses like Sweet Delights and agencies like Digital Dynamo Solutions to reach audiences they never thought possible. It provides a platform for businesses to showcase their products, tell their story, and connect with their audience on a personal level. Lastly, digital marketing, when harnessed by skilled agencies like Digital Dynamo Solutions, is a powerful tool that can transform a business. It's a tool that, when used effectively, can turn a local shop into a nationwide phenomenon, just like Sweet Delights. To wrap it all up, digital marketing is a game changer. It's the key to unlocking a world of opportunities, a tool that can transform a business, and a platform to connect with audiences like never before. So the next time you're enjoying a pastry from Sweet Delights, remember, it's not just the taste that's making you come back for more, it's the power of effective digital marketing.